So inyo pong napanood mga kapolitika ang performance ni Gazini Ganados at yung reaksyon ng mga Thai dito sa kanyang pasabog na performance sa swimsuit competition kung saan ay nasa third place itong si Gazini. So kung nitong nakarang araw is umiyak itong si Gazini dahil doon sa kanyang mababang score sa evening gown at dito sa kanyang bare face challenge. Ngayon naman ay natutuwa itong si Gazini matapos yung kanyang performance doon sa swimsuit competition kung saan ay mataas ang score na kanyang nakuha. So apparently mga kapolitika ay talagang masasabi natin na meron ibubuga itong si Gazini doon sa finale ng kailang competition. So dito ay yung evening gown na lang talaga ang kinakailangan na i-fix ni Gazini dito sa kanyang maging performance kasi at this point in time is nasa pang 8th place itong si Gazini matapos ang kanyang pasabog dito sa swimsuit competition. So doon sa mga naunang ranking niya is nasa pang 13 itong si Gazini pero matapos nga yung mataas na score na kuha niya kagabi is umakyat sa pang 8th pwesto itong si Gazini Ganados. So step by step mga kapolitika ay makaakyat rin itong si Gazini sa top 5 and I very positive, very hopeful na makakasampa sa top 5 itong si Gazini Ganados doon sa finale ng kanilang competition. So ngayon yung umani ng positibong reaksyon yung kanyang swimsuit mga kapolitika kagabi dahil yung confidence di umano ang hinahanap ng mga judges doon. At nakita nila yon kay Gazini Ganados, yung kanyang confidence, yung kanyang energy, yung kanyang aura at yung kanyang talagang na-entertain niya yung crowd doon sa venue ng swimsuit competition ng MGI All-Stars. So ngayon ang ranking po dito sa overall doon sa bare face, sa evening gown at dito sa kailang swimsuit competition sa pang 8th place itong si Gazini. So number 1 pa rin po yung pambato ng Colombia, si Vanessa Pulgarin. So yung kanyang average score is nasa 9.7. So talagang napakataas ng kanyang average mga kapolitika. Number 2 is yung si Ghana, si Faith Porter, nakakuha siya ng 9.71. Si Mariana from Czech Republic, 9.48. Number 4 is si Priscilla from Colombia, 9.37. Gabriela from Venezuela, number 6. Si Yamilix Hernandez from Dominican Republic, 9.24. And then si Suyen Cipriani mga kapolitika ang number 7, 9.15. And then pang-8 itong si Gazini Ganados na may 9.06 point dito sa kanilang overall na performance ranking. So ito yung top 15. So apparently dito according sa mga score na nakikita natin mga kapolitika ay isa lang sa Pilipinas yung nakapasok sa top 15 at ito ay walang iba kundi si Gazini Ganados. So dito ay very intense yung labanan kasi yung iba ay talagang hindi natin maipagkakaila, hindi natin pwedeng ignore at disregard yung ibang candidate kasi talagang nag-perform rin talaga sila at malakas rin yung kanilang pasabog dito sa MGI All-Stars 2026. Okay, so mga kapolitika, kung merong threat, I believe dito sa kanyang competition ni Gazini Ganados ay ito legit itong nasa top ranking na ito, na ito yung mga tinik, ito yung mga kalaban at kung inyong tutuusin dito, kung nakikita nyo ay dalawa agad sa Colombia yung mga kapasok. Talagang nag-dominate yung Latina dito sa mga top ranking. So ngayon po ay day 13 na dito sa kailang competition at isang araw na lang, isang tulog na lang mga kapolitika, makikilala na natin kung sino ang kauna-unahang winner ng MGI All-Stars 2026 first edition. At ang sabi nga ni Nawat ay makasama sa mga world tour, sa mga event at sa mga activities itong maging winner ng MGI All-Star. Of course, aside doon sa $1 million na papremyo kung siya ay magtatagumpay sa loob ng 3 edisyon. So kung ma-defend niya yung kanyang corona next year and then the following competition is mananalo ulit siya, ay automatically $1 million ang kanyang maging papremyo. Kung kaya yung iba ay pukpukan ang labanan dito mga kapolitika sa MGI All-Stars. At so far mga kapolitika, yun po ang ating pinaka-latest na update dito sa Day 13 ng Miss Grand International All-Star. At patuloy lang po kayo nakatutok dahil subaybayan po natin ang mga latest na kaganapan, latest na mga update dito sa nagaganap na competition sa Thailand dahil nasa final stretch na ang lahat ng candidate. At bukas na ang moment of truth dito sa kanilang competition. So mga kapolitika, ano po ang inyong magreaksyon dito sa naging performance ni Gazini Ganado sa kanyang swimsuit competition na kung saan ay 5 judges ang nagbigay sa kanya ng 10 na score dito sa kanyang laban kagabi. Masusungkit kaya ni Gazini Ganados ang kauna-unahang corona ng MGI All-Stars? Mag-comment down below at huwag kalimutang mag-like at mag-subscribe na rin kayo para updated kayo sa ating mga latest issue.
What are you looking forward for this evening's preliminary round?
So for swimsuits, I think just someone who's confident and happy. You know, I don't want someone I'm not looking at the body only or the face, because I feel like that's not like a mindset we should have in a modern age of like judging people on their bodies. But I'm gonna judge them on their smile. If they look happy, then I think that's a 10 for me.
So, as one of the judges, what were your reactions to the reactions of the netizens with the scores that the ladies had yesterday?
Well, I think, to be fair, like, you know, some of the contestants didn't wipe their makeup off.
Yeah.
And you can see that they
But
weren't.
their scores were better than those who really made, because when we watch it, so
Yeah, I don't know. For me, I voted based on
Based
the
on that.
honesty.
yes, good.
Yeah, because I think that's important.
Very important.
I love seeing a lot of contestants with their bare face, and they look so happy, so brave, so free.
Yes.
And it was disappointing a little bit to see some of the other contestants have a bit of makeup still left
Yes.
on, because I'm like, girl, like,
They
you know,
like
you're
kinda
supposed to be
cheated.
free. Yeah.
And what about people are now claiming that these ladies cannot be defined by just mere numbers of the scores. So what's your opinion about
I mean,
that?
like, no human can be defined by just
The
scores,
numbers.
right? But that's the nature of the competition. So what I think for me is the number represents how happy I think they are. I'm judging them based on their
Yes,
inner
if they're
happiness.
beaming.
If they're beaming, yes.
Exactly,
Yes,
right?
yes.
So how can you qualify the fairness with regards to age? Of course, the younger ones would look better without makeup than compared to the older ones.
No, like,
and
I
also
think-
beauty is different from different levels of beauty based on age or even on their body size. So
I think when someone is internally really happy, you can tell their beauty is shining through. I think that's
being
what I see.
being in the limelight yourself, how can we? Wouldn't they be nervous? Like the ladies would be nervous on stage, even though they're happy. It's hard for them to really show their inner happiness.
I think you can always see when someone's happy. Yeah. When they're nervous because of happiness versus when they're nervous because if they don't win, their life is gonna fall apart. You know, we don't want kids to see that as an example. We want kids to see that, oh yeah, if they can be confident, they can be happy, then that's good.
And what about those ladies who were crying afterwards because the pressure and of course the low scores got to them?
Yeah, I think that's a sadly toxic nature of this kind of industry. But that's why I think I'm here to kind of judge based on their happiness. So maybe my scores might not be like what people expect, but I'm judging them based on their inner peace.
Inner peace.
Yes.
So congratulations and good luck for judging, and that we hope that you also have your inner peace.
Thank you.
So,
Thank you.
Nice meeting. I'm Tristan from the Philippine Pageant.
Thank you. Thank you.